Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to easily hide a plastic handcuff key that'll go through metal detectors inside of your watch band. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, so here I have a G-Shock Rangeman carbon fiber band. This is the Japanese version, so it has the black face. Very nice watch. And then here I have a plastic handcuff key. Very small, very easily hidden. It is plastic, so it will go through metal detectors. And here I have a pair of Smith & Wesson 300 hinged handcuffs. So here's the handcuff key. So I'll show you that it does work. All right. So these are closed. Can't open it. Put the handcuff key in. Turn it. And there you go. Keep turning. You see that they'll stay open. And then loosen it. Pull it out. And they're locked again. Alright, so that was just to show you that works. Now, to hide it on the watch band, you can see there's a lot of open space here. And it won't rub on your wrist, make it uncomfortable or anything. So what I did is I went to Walmart and bought bicycle inner tube. This is for a 700C tire, and this is about $3 or $4, I think. And you can make a couple hundred of these out of this one bicycle tube. Here's how it comes. What we're gonna do is just cut off, see, about 3/4 to an inch piece of inner tube. So now we have the inner tube, and on the side that has no buckle, I'm going to slide this on. It should be a snug fit. That's what you want. Alright, so I slid that on. I'm going to slide it up even further so it's even more snug. Alright, there you go. Now that's all the way up there. Now if you're just looking at it normally, you would never even notice it's there. Now, we're going to take the handcuff key, slide it under the tubing, adjust it, and there you have it. Now you have a hidden handcuff key. You see it doesn't add little to any bulk. Very hidden, and it's very secure and won't come out. And I'll show you what this looks like on the wrist. There it is on the wrist. You see the handcuff key in there. Hardly notice it. Now to take it out, just lift up the bottom flap, push it down, and it comes right out. So there it is, guys. That's how you can easily hide a handcuff key in your watch band, go through metal detectors. No one will hardly ever notice that unless they're really looking for it. Hope this information is helpful. I'm a new channel. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. I'm going to be having tons of other videos coming out just like this. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.